sometimes we might want to remove the duplicate items. Many people uses these excels in an organization, so one or two information might come 2 or 3 times, and that there is a possibility of duplicating the data. So here we can see that there are some data like here in from this row 18. So we can see that there are some person's name here, and the same data are from row 23 to 26. So here we need to remove this duplicate. So how will we remove this duplicated data? So here I will select this data, this worksheets data, and we'll go to the data option, data menu, and then we will select remove duplicates. So after selecting that, we will here, if you don't want to remove duplicates from any column, you will uncheck, or if you want to remove duplicates from all the columns, then you will select all. After that you click OK. So now here you will get an alert that 4 duplicate values found and removed, 21 unique values remain, and then you will click OK. Then you will see that there is no duplicated data in your worksheet. So in this way you will be able to remove your duplicated data